So, right here, pack of wolves spring up right in the middle of the night. And a couple of weeks ago, over here, I woke up, went outside just to see the weather. I was just going to take a walk with my dog. We were just walking around this place. It was quiet at first, but suddenly my dog came to that river and started to bark. But it turned out that wolves from somewhere from the depths of the forest couldn't ignore it. Out of nowhere, several wolves sprang up and started to run in our direction. They were running at a tremendous speed. I would say the night was pretty bright, and luckily I was able to notice them from afar. I could see 4 or 5 shadows of wolves. Let me show you the exact place they were running from. I barely can explain you how fast they were rushing at us, but in a split second they were near my hut. They were just running with a huge speed. And in the meantime my dog was barking. I was calling her back, but she didn't react. It was all meaningless. I started to worry about her, but I had no time to get back for my rifle, which was in the hut. It happened too quickly. It was like 20 meters between me and wolves. Well, can you see the stick? They were standing right there. Here is where I'm standing and where they were. Literally 20 meters from me and roughly 10 meters from my dog. There were 5 wolves and she was standing right in front of them and didn't stop to bark. I couldn't just leave her there, right? But how could I help with my bare hands? As I said, I had no rifle and I had no time to pick it up. They just stopped near her and were staring at her and at me. I didn't stop to scream, "Palm, come here, don't do this, heal." She was just non-responsive. Of course I was frightened and worried about her. She kept some distance between herself and wolves, and as I said, it was about 10 meters. But they could easily tear her apart. Wolves finally noticed me while I was screaming. I got back to the hut but opened the door, so I was ready. Just to close it when the moment comes. I didn't stop to call my dog, and finally it was the moment when I could take my rifle, just to shoot them one by one. Unfortunately I had no so much time, so I decided to came over and grab my dog. Carried her back to my hut, and after that went outside with the rifle. Seems like I was ready to kill them, but they all together ran in that direction. Let me show you. So I didn't even get a chance to shoot at least once. Here is Palm. Just look at her. Palm. 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 Look at me. Good girl. She's even now looking at that place where wolves appeared. Still remembers all this. Where she for the first time faced them. As soon as I grabbed her and brought her back in this hut, went out with the guns and ran away, and coming back I saw her on the table. She was watching from the window. She was quite nervous, her heart was beating fast. I came over and tried to calm her down. I saw she was frightened and was breathing restlessly. Thanks God she didn't fight with them, but still, she proved me that she is always ready to throw herself in an equal fight, just to protect her owner. But she was wise enough to keep distance. Just good girl. I don't know what to say. I worried about her. This is really amazing dog. Yesterday she ate squirrels. Now she's just having some rest. As you can see, it's almost night, getting dark. I recently chopped some wood, and now let me show you what I'm doing. It's my winter tent.